Hey, to enter for the fastboot mode on the Nothing phone to A, first of all you have to click and hold the power button and the volume up button to bring the power off menu, then power off by selecting this function. When your smartphone is completely turned off, you have to use the two buttons combination. You have to click and hold the power button and the volume up button. So just hold them, you will feel vibration right now, you will get Nothing logo on the screen, and then you will be actually welcome with this screen. So as you can see, now we have to navigate with the volume up button, and we have to simply select the fastboot mode, but I was doing this and unfortunately it wasn't working, so I can recommend you to first navigate into the recovery mode, then click on the volume down button to confirm. Now we have to just wait until this screen disappeared and the recovery mode pops. So just wait for it, it will take around a few seconds. There we go. Now we got the no command Android screen, so we have to click on the volume on the power button and click once volume up. Now as you can see, we are in the recovery mode, so we have to scroll down with the volume buttons, and as you can see from here we can find the fastboot mode. So click once on the power button and there we go. Right now we are in the fastboot mode. So now we can, for example, enter to the bootloader, and yeah, that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.